Hi everyone, in this quick session, we're going to learn how to deep flatten a nested array in JavaScript. Flattening is especially useful when dealing with irregular or deeply nested structures. We'll use recursion and JavaScript's array methods to do it in just one line. Now let's take a closer look at the problem. The goal is to take an array that might contain nested arrays and flatten them into a single simple array. This is different from shallow flattening. We want to go all the way down. Let's break down how this is done step by step. This function checks each element. If it is an array, it recursively flattens it. If it is not, it just returns the element. We use concat spread array to merge all values into a single array. Let's understand how this works internally. The recursion ensures that all nested arrays are expanded one level at a time. We use the spread operator and concat to build a flat array from the results. It is elegant and avoids manually looping or checking levels. Now, let's see a few more examples. Whether your array is just slightly nested or extremely deep, this function handles it smoothly. You'll notice that already flat arrays remain untouched. That's the beauty of writing functions that work across all input types. Now, let's talk about where this is really useful. Deep flattening is useful in any scenario where you deal with complex nested structures. For example, APIs might return data in irregular formats. You'll want to normalize this data before using it. Flattening it can also simplify filtering, searching, and mapping over large datasets. And that's it. You've just learned how to deep flatten an array with a compact recursive function. It is a handy utility to have in your JavaScript toolbox. Don't forget to try it out with your own data. Thanks for watching. Happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.